In today's video, we will be talking about how to add trust badges to your Shopify store. Now, to be able to add trust badges, you're going to have to install an application. To be able to install an application, you're going to look over here on the left side, which is the apps option over here. Simply click on Add Apps. You will see this pop up over here. Simply scroll down a bit, and you're going to see this option, Shopify App Store. Simply select this to be redirected to another page where you will be able to find and look for different types of apps that are specifically built for Shopify to improve your experience by adding extra features to your Shopify online store or Shopify itself. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to click on the search bar, click on or search for section store, and you're going to see here section store theme selection. You're simply going to install this application, and let me refresh our Shopify over here so that we can check it out. And let's see. Other apps, it should be here. There we go. We have your section store. Simply open that. And in this section store, this is where you will be able to find a trust badge. So as you can see here, you're going to see add section to theme. And you're simply going to look for explore sections. And you're going to look for the badge. I'm going to wait for it. Let's look for the badge over here. Simply search trust badge. And there we go. You have this trust badge number 2. And there's also this trust badge number 1. You could click this. And you could purchase this for $9. You're going to have to purchase them so that you will be able to add them to your online store. This is like similar to an extra feature or a template that you could add to your online store. But there's also this one feature one. This is free. This is also a trust badge over here. So you can click on get free section. And then you could add the theme on the Dawn. This is the Shopify Dawn theme that is currently live. And let's click on our online store. Let's wait for it to load so that we could preview it. Click on preview. If I'm correct, we were able to add the specific thing to our store over here. It's not here yet, so let's click on customize. And over here, let's simply click on add section. And from the apps, it's not here. So we might have done something wrong. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your store over here. And let's click on our apps again. Section store. Let's open this. Let's double check if we were able to add it. There, let's go click on add theme. Successfully installed. Let's actually click on preview. This is what it would look like. Click on view demo store. And this is what it would look like on your online store. Supposedly, you will have this badge over here that signifies or implies that your store is trusted. Now, I'm not sure why it's not appearing on our customization page, but hopefully for you guys, you will be able to find it. But that is a process of how you will be able to add the trust badge to your Shopify store. So let's view it one last time if you will be able to see if it will appear on our part over here. It seems like it's not appearing on us. But anyway, that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.